Hey guys, this is how to fix Zoom Money Transfer app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss multiple solutions. And for Apple users, I will show a step-by-step guide on the left side of the screen. So for the first solution is just simply go to the Google Play Store and tap on search at the bottom and go for the top, the search bar. Just simply search for the application. And now from here, just simply tap on the app. And when there is an update, you should be able to update it over here and just make sure you are running the latest version of the app. And now just simply tap on the three dots on the top right and make sure to enable the auto update as well, guys. Now for the second solution is just simply go to his settings into your device. And after that, just simply scroll down and just simply go ahead and try to find apps over here. And now from here, just simply go ahead and go for the application. And now just simply tap on it. And now from here, just simply tap on storage and tap on clear cache at the bottom. And from there, when you try opening the app, you should be able to fix it. But if it still doesn't, just simply go back over here and tap on clear data and tap on OK. And you should be able to fix the issue. Now, guys, the last option that you have is just simply hold the application and just simply tap on uninstall and tap on OK. And just simply go back to the Google Play Store and reinstall it back again into your device. And from there, you should be able to fix the application. And there you go. If you have any issues with the app, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to help you out. See ya.